So, hey guys, we're back working with some more of these fabric, well, we're gonna start working with the fabric plaid paint products. And so we have two, we have like the regular metallic-y type of fabric paints, and then we have glitter. So what I did was got a regular old t-shirt from like Walmart, really cheap, like $3. And then and then a stencil that I already had. Now they provided me with stencils, but I haven't figured out what to like write across my chest or whatever. So hashtag whatever. Indiana Jones. Hashtag. Well, that's too long because I have to cut all the little letters. So I had this other. I got this one from the Dollar Tree. But what's cool about theirs is it's self-adhesive, whereas we had to put on like, duct tape. Right. So this is just a little pouch, for pencils or for makeup and stuff like that.
Self-adhesive?
It's self-adhesive, yeah. It's self-adhesive.
Awesome.
It's very awesome. So we're gonna have one of their wonderful fabric paint brushes. And so I'm gonna go ahead and, this one's like really, yeah.
It just all came
out really fast.
Yes.
Didn't expect it to come out that fast, but that's okay. So go ahead, you can start painting that one. And you know what, I might take some of your paint and mix the gold and the pink.
Oh, that's been a really
And so, do you know how to stencil? Kind of. So you don't want it to go under the stencil, so don't paint. You're gonna like,
dab.
Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, dab.
Got it.
Dab. Got some paint on my, oh, shoot. You didn't see that. Okay. You didn't see that. So it's very liquidy, this fabric paint, because, well, the thing is that it's supposed to be liquidy because this is the one that's very soft and flexible.
Oh, not the hard one.
Not the hard one. Before it used to be very like stiff. This doesn't end up being very stiff.
It's flexible.
It's flexible.
So that, though.
I know. And I stole your gold because there was so much of it, and I was like, oh well, let me just use that one. So we're gonna keep on with those jokes, people, because why not? Children won't get it anyway. And what child is actually watching this? The Plaid product company is like, what the heck did we do giving this woman these products to showcase on her show? She's a lunatic. She dresses up like weird people. And I am sorry, people, the last couple of videos I haven't really dressed up much. It's summer, it's hot, it's Miami, But I promise you we will come back with some themed episodes coming in the fall to celebrate fall, because summer is not my favorite holiday. It's like, I don't know, I don't like the summer. I didn't even like summers, like summer vacation. I'd rather be in school. I know, I'm sorry. You know why? Because it's so hot, you're stuck inside all day. My mom wouldn't take me anywhere, Especially when you're little. Ugh, I hated it.
We used to have a good time in the summer.
I don't know, I like...
Beach, we were with Metro Zoo, now Zoo Miami.
Well, see, we didn't have that one. Hello, I'm 10 years older than you, if not a little more.
Metro Zoo?
No, we didn't have Metro Zoo. Miami was not Miami back in the day, okay? We had like horse carts and buggies and stuff. I don't know. No, but it was not as sophisticated as it is now. Are you kidding?
Now it's very sophisticated.
Look, when I was a teenager, that was like the summer of like Scarface. So, it was like...
It's Tony Montana.
Yes, exactly. So,
He had the chancleta.
He had the chancletas. So, this is very cool.
We had fun. We had my grandma used to come out, and we did a lot of fun stuff. And then when we moved down here...
Let's be Dora the Explorer now. Grandma in Spanish is... Abuela. Summer in Spanish is... Verano. And paint in Spanish is... Pintura. There you go. So we're like Dora exploring this whole thing.
Why would I be Dora?
Although, I don't know. Is Dora Mexican? Is she Mexican? We don't know. Well, whatever. We all speak Spanish. It's the same thing. Oh. Well, we're Caribbean.
Did you know that Que Pasa USA?
Yeah. Did you go? I wanted to go too. But anyway. Stephen Bauer, if you guys remember Stephen Bauer, he started on a little show called Que Pasa USA, which was about, it was kind of like, it was very cute. It was, an immigrant family from Cuba, making their way and becoming, the kids were being Americanized and the older people wanted to stay in their old ways. So, you want to do some?
Anyway.
Yeah. So would you like some glitter now? I'm going to be slower with the pour here. Ooh, there you go. I'm going to actually mix my gold with pink. Is it getting in there?
Yeah. You know, dabbing it.
Dabbing. Just a little dab will do you.
Yeah, would that be do?
Yeah, but that
Remember?
Oh my goodness.
Ay,
Ay, concho. We're so Cuban. Oh my goodness.
exactly.
Is this coming out? What?
That's gonna be Miami right now if you do that little.
What?
The Valley Girl.
Oh my gosh. I got like glitter on my nails, but not my nail polish. I even glittered my nail polish for today. Here, I'm gonna take the paintbrush and get the glitter out of my nails.
Use that.
So I'm using
That's
gold
extra.
and pink and dabbing it on. Dab, dab, dab. This is very, I'm telling you, man, if you're like stressed, just start painting. I mean, for goodness sake, look at Rob Ross. Have you ever seen that guy like
I know,
stressed?
he's like,
Totally
I like his little
chill.
afro
I
hair.
love his little afro hair.
wanna do that.
He's so hot.
He's hot.
You know why? Because he was like, he's so chill. You know, dudes, when a guy is so chill and he's making happy trees, you know,
I mean, that's pretty cool.
that's cool. I'm sorry. That's a good, you know, thing to, you know, if you came home to Rob Ross, he'd be like, I saved a squirrel, because he was always saving squirrels. I don't know why. I saved a squirrel and I painted you some happy trees. Come, sit down. And, I mean, he'd be so chill. Imagine coming home from a really stressed out day at work and he'd have like this like cool music in the background, like, you know, harp music or something. I don't know.
Heart music?
Harp music,
Oh, I
harp.
was
Like, I don't know. He'd so be totally chill. So,
I can see that.
not only that, but in one of my characters in a recent film I was in, had the hots for Rob Ross, and I kind of like explored that possibility, and I'm like,
She
you
was
know,
trying to get
method
into
acting.
Into character. with
Method
that one.
acting, there you go. And we won't mention the film. Yes, we will. Side effects.
Oh, so that one you were into him?
Well, yeah, I was kind of into Rob Ross, and the director was the director of that lovely film.
What?
Stop it!
That's her true confession.
There you go. I just happen to have the shirt. That's
Is
all.
that your guilty pleasure?
Yes,
Rob
that
Ross.
is. You know, let me tell you, I watched that. You know who else I have the hots for? Paul Hollywood. You're like, who the hell is Paul Hollywood? Okay, watch the British Baking Show. Anybody who's watched the British Baking Show, tell me that those piercing blue eyes, that salt and
there's
pepper
one
hair,
that's very
and those
handsome.
hands, when he starts like making dough bread, man, let me tell you, any guy who can DIY, he can DIY me all the time. There you go.
Hey, I like that.
I like that. Yeah, he can D me anytime. He can DIY. Anybody who, I'm telling you, I'm very attracted to very creative people. That's all I'm gonna say. That's why I'm always hanging out with like filmmakers and stuff like that, because they're very creative, and I think that's like, I like that. I like people that create instead of just D-face.
No, all the D's.
All the D's.
They're like, you got a lot
Dirty
of D's.
Diana.
I was like, what is that supposed to mean? That is awful.
Let me see, how you doing? Did you get any glitter on there yet?
Not
Get some
yet.
glitter.
Okay, cool.
Just, yeah, you just use it. I didn't like get anything to
It's
clean this with.
I like that.
DIY. I'm sorry, not DIY.
You said
DIY.
DIY?
I said it wrong. DIY.
I think I'm gonna use that.
See, I did it wrong because it's not like perfect, but it's cute. There you go. Look how cute it is. It came out cute. You can't tell those are flowers, and it's kind of like, it kind of meshed into each other.
Yes.
But, well,
Oh,
well.
look at
It's still cute.
Let me see.
I'll figure it out.
I'm
Let's see. You need help?
trees.
Trees?
Sing about the trees now.
She's thinking of happy trees. Because he would, and he was like, nothing's a mistake. See, he would say, that's not a mistake, that's supposed to be. He would always make like happy mistakes.
Aw,
Yeah, that's the other thing. He was
I
like,
like that.
yeah, he was very chill. He was very chill.
I can see that. I can see that, you know?
Yeah. That's
Wanna
an attractive
DIY.
person. I don't know exactly him, but that's an attractive trait is to be, you know, to have the
Laid
capability of, yeah, being laid back and stuff. You ready for the reveal? Dun, 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 dun. Look how cute. You can make some more. Very cute. So very cool there. So that was the fabric. So as you can see, I did the fabric paint on that shirt. Did the same thing. Can you see the shirt? You can? Okay, cool. Okay. So that's it for this episode.
Can we outline that too?
What do you mean outline?
I don't know. I don't know.
You know what else you can do is you can do like halvesies, like do
Oh,
half,
like a
and half.
halvesy?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
We're done.
There you go. So we can do that later.
Okay, yes.
So cool. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go. Again, all of these were wonderful Plaid products, both the fabric. Oh, and I didn't use the plush because, well, we ran out of time. But they're wonderful, fun products, and they're very cool to use. And thank you so much, Plaid, for supporting me,
Awesome.
for supporting Indiana Jones. And I hope to have more wonderful Plaid products. I have to tell you, I didn't talk about this one. What is this, Mega Glitter?
Mod Podge.
I-
Mega Glitter.
if
Mega
any-
Brillo Mega.
Yeah, Mega Brillo.
Mega. Oh, sorry.
Mega Brillo. It's very cool.
I was trying to do the French one too.
Oh, what's that? How do you say it in
I
French?
think it's French. Palette.
Perlet.
Palette Mega. Brillo Mega.
Okay,
That's
cool.
Spanish.
So, anybody who's seen my show, you know how much I love Mod Podge. So this is just another version of Mod Podge, and it's a glittery, fantastical version of Mod Podge. So thank you again, guys. Come back so you can see how else I'm going to use all these wonderful products throughout the year. Christmas is coming. Halloween is coming. God knows Halloween is coming. I keep counting
That's
the
her
days.
favorite.
That's my favorite. It's like Halloween is the gateway holiday for all the best holidays of the year. It's like start with Halloween, then you got Thanksgiving, and then you got Christmas, and then the rest of the year it's like, why bother? I don't know. Except for Mother's Day is pretty cool too. You keep glittering?
Yeah. I really
Okay,
like
she's
it.
gonna keep glittering. All right, we'll let you guys go. Thank you again. Thank you,
Bye.
Diana,
You're
for
welcome.
being
Thank
here.
you.
So this was fun, and we'll be back soon.
Chancletas.
And I will be back in costume very soon. Yeah, wear your chancletas. Let's get
All
those
right.
on, girl.
No, you don't want to see my feet, right? Oh my God.
We're having fun with John behind the camera.
Yeah,
So
sorry.
thanks again, guys. Bye.